Hello, it is 42 degrees here in Connecticut 6B, and here is the fall garden update. I'm a retired great grandmother living in an apartment, and I have a community garden. Look at the beautiful geranium. Don't count us out. There's a little tomato still on the branch. Look, the garlic I thought wasn't coming up is coming up already. And there's another pot of garlic. Plenty of Swiss chard. There's one pot. There's another. They're little. They'll grow year round. They'll be there in the spring. There's yet another one. I'm going to feed them some good old 511 so they grow big and strong. More Swiss chard with an automatic waterer in there. There's a fig bush. I have to move him next fall. Mint growing with mommy's irises. More mint, more mint, more mint. Got some hostas from mommy's yard too. Bugs ate them up, but I'm going to subdivide them in the spring. Lots of lemon balm, made lots of tea. Look at the coleus. I forgot what ground plant that is. Comfrey, I think. And the second fig, shout out to Bull's Garden. Thank you. And look at my ginger. I didn't harvest it yet. I'm going to. I can't wait. I had so much ginger. Look at my sad little tomatoes. Hey, you know what? Every little bit counts. And guess what? Look. There's still some potatoes in the bag out there. There's some yarrow. It'll come back next spring. That's it for the tour. Nothing else. It's beautiful here in Connecticut in the fall. We still have a few little things growing out front of my apartment stead. It's free for everyone to enjoy. And we do the fresh, crisp, clean air. So beautiful. I love the seasons. On my way to Arizona, though, look at the produce I got from somebody else's yard. Chopped it up, made a delicious apple cake from scratch. Nothing from a box. Everything fresh eggs from the farmer, everything. Well, thanks for the visit. Peace, love, and blessings. Do what you love what you do. Auntie Ellen,